Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet? Do you want to increase your income without sacrificing the flexibility of your schedule? The good news is that earning money online has never been easier. With a few simple tools and a little bit of effort, you can start earning money in just minutes. Freelancing: offer your services as a freelance writer, graphic designer, or web developer on platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr. You can set your own rates and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Selling products online: open an online store on platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon and start selling physical or digital products. This is a great option if you have a creative flair or are looking to turn a hobby into a business. Affiliate marketing: promote other people's products on your website or blog and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Online surveys: participate in online surveys and earn money for your opinions. Companies such as Survey Junkie and Swagbucks offer cash and gift card rewards. Data entry: use your typing skills to earn money by completing simple data entry tasks. Platforms such as Amazon Mechanical Turk and Clickworker offer data entry jobs with flexible hours. Social media management: offer your social media skills to businesses and individuals to help them grow their online presence. Platforms such as Hootsuite and Sprout Social can help you find clients. Online tutoring: share your knowledge and expertise with students around the world by offering online tutoring services. Platforms such as Tutor.com and Chegg connect you with students in need of tutoring. In conclusion, earning money online is a simple and effective way to increase your income and achieve financial stability. With so many options available, you are sure to find a method that fits your skills and interests. So why wait? Start earning money in minutes and take control of your financial future today.